here, once someone has gone to for their screenings, and unfortunately it has been discovered that they have one of the cancers, right? So if you are coming in as a palliative care, how do you begin to design the care plan appropriate for this person? What do you look at? How do you get to design it?
Mm-hmm. So I think the design of that is multidisciplinary. It's not based on one person, because the patient gets in by the doctor, by the nurses, then there is a palliative team, a nutritionist, but then you have to disclose the diagnosis. You let the patient know the diagnosis. You come slowly and let them process the feelings. Sometimes it takes time. If it takes time, you wait, you go step by step, because they have to accept the diagnosis, then they begin treatment. Because if someone says, I do not have cancer, but you have found the cancer, and they say, I do not need radiotherapy, I do not need chemotherapy, I do not need surgery because I do not have cancer, you see, there we have a problem, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so you take them step by step, help them understand what it actually means to have cancer. And as we have said, cancer is not a death sentence.
Yeah.
There are things that can be done to help you as a patient. There are things that can be done to make you feel as comfortable as possible. And I think with a multidisciplinary approach, everyone is able to suggest things and come up with a proper plan for each patient, because now it's not a one size fits all type of thing. It's patient centered. Every patient has their own challenges. Every patient has their own needs. And once you're able to address that is unique to every patient, I think everyone should be able to have some hope.
Yeah.